Hello guys, welcome back dito sa Crypto Gamers page. So dito tayo ngayon sa bagong or upcoming NFT game na kahuhumalingan ng marami. Itong game na to, tinatawag ito na Chambi Valley. Malapit nang mag-pre-sale ito. I heard is December, early December ang sabi nila. So, i-review nga natin ito kung talagang worth it ba na mag-invest din dito or maganda ba yung gameplay niya or kung paano ba ito lalaruin at kung saan natin pwedeng i-compare tong game na to. Okay, tingnan natin guys yung light paper nila. Actually, na-open ko na yan. Nandito na siya sa thumbnail ko. Okay. Start natin doon sa simula. Kasi ang sabi nila, this game can compare to Axie. So, tingnan natin. Pag-aralan natin. Kaya ito yung light paper nila guys. Take note magkakaroon na sila ng pre-sale ng mga NFT early of December. So, Chavi Valley light paper. Tingnan natin. So, ito yung table of content niya. Okay. Vision. Okay, what is Chambi Valley? Yung vision din na natin ito basahin. Kailan pa ba natin basahin? I-check nyo na lang guys para hindi na tayo mapatagal. Okay, Chambi Valley is an enchanting role-playing blockchain game. It is being built on Polygon. Take note guys, Polygon network yung game na to. So, kailangan yung network na gagamitin mo pag mag-transfer ka dito is using the Polygon network. It is near instant transaction speed and almost zero fees. Wow. The game will be played in app form, so launching on PC, Mac, Android, and eventually iOS. All in-game items and creatures are blockchain-based token and NFTs. Chambi Valley's visuals and gameplay are completely original and inspired by classic like Zelda, Stardew Valley, Pokemon, and Studio. Ito yung sinasabi nila na almost yung mga monster may pagka-similarity daw sa Pokemon. Ano natin mamaya. So, player will be immersed in the mystical forest and spend many relaxing hours racing creatures called Chambi. Most excitingly, players and Chambi can work together to be rewarded with cryptocurrencies for farming, exploring, crafting, breeding, battling, and more. So guys, dito pa lang, may 5 way na tayo kung paano kumita ng magkaroon ng reward. First, farming. Second, exploring. Third, crafting, breeding, and siguro ito battling, ito yung PvP, player versus player, or hindi natin alam kung player versus environment. Tingnan natin. Ito yung monster ng sample monster ng Chambi. Okay? So, tama nga, may pagka-similarity nga sa Pokemon. So, what are Chambi? Chambi are adorable bipedal creatures that inhabit a lush and mysterious forest valley. They have the spiritual connection to the forest and use magical spells to maintain and protect it. Getting your first Chambi. Okay? Chambi Valley will be free to start. You will be paired with the Ancestor Chambi to get you restarted on your adventure. Ancestor Chambi can help you with basic tasks but cannot sort or trade that. Of course, syempre naman guys, alangan naman na i-free nila yung Chambi mo tapos ibebenta mo. So, tandaan natin na lahat ng free-to-play, syempre kung kikita ka man, maliit lang. So, kailangan mo talagang mag-invest para ma-upgrade mo yung Chambi mo. So, level up your Chambi. Actually guys, inaabangan ko na to. Hindi ko alam kung na-review ko na to nung una. Pero ulitin natin, just in case lang. Okay. So, level up your Chambi. Increase the Chambi's rewards potential. Ito na yun. Chambi level. Battle against wild course, Chambi, and other trainer to increase your Chambi's level. A Chambi with a higher level can defeat stronger foes and receive better rewards. Okay? So, pag mataas daw level mo, mas mataas ang rewards mo. Of course naman. Chambi spells. Send your Chambi to the Chambi Sage to learn spells. Increasing your Chambi's spell level will allow it to gather valuable in-game tokenized resources even while you are offline. Okay. So, pwede siya mag-offline farming. Chambi happiness. Feed your Chambi its favorite food to increase its happiness level. A higher happiness level unlock higher staking reward. APY. Ano ba itong APY? Kalimutan ko ano APY. When a Chambi is assigned to the Shrine of Giving. Okay? So, ito yung body parts daw ng Chambi, which is maybe pwede mo ma-recognize kung anong rarity siya. Chambi body parts. Each Chambi is a unique NFT creature made up of a rare combination type. Combination of type, coat, ears, horn, eyes, mouth, and pattern. So, ma-identify mo raw yung Chambi dito sa ilang combination to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sa 6 combination na yan. Chambi have a main type and a coat type. But these don't have too much. You can even have the river type Chambi with a flame type coat. In total, there are 15 main types, each with 10 coat variation. So this means that there are 150 coats that can appear on any type of Chambi. So combining type and coat with hundreds of body parts and patterns results its almost infinite unique Chambi. If you are lucky breeding, may resort it rare body parts such as a shining coat or even ultra rare mini Chambi. Okay. So siguro habang maaga magandang mag-breed ng Chambi. So Chambi breeding. So ito yung tires niya. Tire 1 is neutral and forest. So ito yung lalabas feeder. So sa ngayon hindi pa natin alam kung anong mga ibig sabihin nito, but soon malalaman din natin. So cave and flame tapos equal crystal siya. Siguro ito yung mga pina-farm. So river mountain maging frost siya. Spark and insect maging flower siya. Then after that, feeder and crystal maging creature siya. Then frost and flower maging spirit siya. Then creature and spirit void. Anong ibig sabihin po? So you can breed any type of Chambi together. Breeding compatible types will result in a chance to create higher tier Chambi type. Okay. So ganito yung pag-breeding. Hindi pa natin alam kung paano to kasi hindi pa na-open to breed na to. So Chambi battles. Attack, effects, and abilities. When a Chambi is born, it inherits 2 attack moves, 2 effect moves, and an ability from its genetics. So ito siguro yung attack moves niya. Okay? So tama nga ito. So type attack, shadow absorb. So ito yung attack niya. So coat attack, luminous rush. So dalawa yun. So eye effect, lunar leers. Yan. So mouth effect, light bite. So pattern ability, shade walker. Hindi ko alam. So void type Chambi are special. They have colored eyes with exclusive effect. Okay. So battle strategy. Kailangan natin pag-aralan ito guys kasi malapit na. So battle strategy. The Chambi Valley system is creative mix of Pokemon style battle with an extra layer of strategy. Easy to learn but difficult to master. Chambi earn XP and level up by winning battles. Each time a Chambi's level increase by 5, it will need to eat a candied apple to progress to the next level. You can craft candy apples by combining Lucky Star plus apple. Tandaan nyo guys. So, once daw na mag-level up yung Chambi mo ng 5 level, so kailangan niyang kumain ng candied apple. Which is yung candied apple na to is magkukuha mo siya pag pinag-combine mo ang Lucky Star at apple. So guys, pag naglalaro na kayo, kailangan nyo mag-ipon ng Lucky Star at apple. Okay? So weaknesses. Ito naman yung weaknesses, type and strength. Okay? So, ito yon. Tingnan nyo na lang guys. Hindi ko na isa-isahin yan. Siguro ito yung mga yung weaknesses tapos yung strength ng type ng Chambi. So, ngayon, from these weaknesses and strength, pwede mo makita kung paano mo na siya aatakihin. Siguro. Okay? So, course Chambi. Chambi are peaceful and loyal by nature. But a dark forest presence is cursing them. Cursed Chambi will attack anything, defeat them to banish the curse, gain XP, and earn Lucky Star. So may kalaban pala tayo. Ito si Chambi Cursed Chambi. So gameplay. Ito na yung gameplay natin guys. So forest home. Wake up in relaxing forest valley and meet your first Chambi. Learn to work together as you live off the land and expand your Chambi team. Gather resources to craft usable NFT items and decorate your world. Clear an overgrowth. Build a home and become an expert Chambi trainer. Exploration. Gameplay na to exploration. Power up an ancient portal and step through with your Chambi by your side. Explore randomly generated terrain in various biomes. Find rare NFT items and encounter Cursed Chambi in the wild. So, ito nga yun. Yung Cursed Chambi, ito yung makakalaban mo din. So, day and night cycles, weathers and season will ensure the exploration is stay fresh and exciting. Okay. So, maganda yung exploration. So, farming. Find rare seeds and start a farm to grow forest crops that have many uses. Crops are in-game tokenized items. They need to be watered regularly and will grow on blockchain-based time. Certain crops can even be combined with Lucky Star to make a Chambi's favorite food. Ito nga yun. So, Lucky Star, gagawa ka ng apple. Tapos sa apple, magiging candied, ano na siya? Candied apple na favorite ni Chambi. Okay, gameplay ulit. Offline rewards. Okay. Chambi are mastered of the land. They can learn spells that will enable them to automatically gather in-game tokenized resources even while you are offline. Send your Chambi to the Chambi Sage and it can learn spells to water crop, chop wood, collect stone, catch fish, and more. Chambi Fostering. Chambi Valley is featured as if built-in fostering system that will allow players to temporarily send their Chambi to other players and have them return on request. While another player is looking after your Chambi, you will automatically collect an adjustable percentage of all rewards earned by your Chambi. This will allow for exciting in-game businesses to form which will further power the ecosystem. Wow, maganda siya. So, ibig sabihin, pwede mo iparent yung Chambi mo. Okay? Alam nyo guys kung anong worry ko dito. Hopefully, mura yung presyo nito. Kasi sa nababasa ko, ano siya hindi siya mukhang mamahalin to. Okay, Chambi Village. Chambi Village will feature NFT-based plot of land within in-game ownership. Here you will find other players and their Chambi working on their path, chatting, showing off rare items, trading, shopping, and more. Landowner will also have access to special events such as capturing wild Chambi, fighting together in raids against giant Cursed Chambi. Okay, so mayroon ding raids game to. So, maganda siya para, okay. So, play to earn. Ito, paano ka nakikita? Choose your own path. Jambi Valley will feature multiple in-game earning paths. As players expand their Jambi team and improve their Jambi skill, they will be able to complete more play-to-earn tasks. Some players may choose to focus on battling, whereas others may take a more relaxed approach and focus on exploring and farming. Excuse. Each reward in Jambi Valley first is battle curse Jambi and other players, farm and sell forest crops, offline rewards from Jambi spills, craft and sell rare NFT items, explore to find rare NFT items, complete in-game quests. Ito dapat matapos mo to. So, breed rare Jambi, Jambi marketplace, Jambi postering. Ito poster ito yun. Parang ipaparent mo siya. So, powerful referral system. Ito hindi ko alam. Powerful referral system. Buy and sell village land plot. Jambi token is taking rewards. Shrine of giving rewards. Jambi treasury rewards. So, yan yung kung saan ka pwedeng kumita, guys. Imagine ilan? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 way kung paano ka kumita dito sa Jambi. Hopefully maganda yung ecosystem nila para mag-sustain, hindi magaya sa ibang laro. So, introducing a Shrine of Giving. We are excited to announce that Jambi Valley will feature a fully gamified, high APY in-game CHMB staking interface called the Shrine of Giving. Okay, so staking to, guys, So, Jambi are hoarders by nature and have long worshipped the Shrine of Giving, an ancient monument possessing the ability to multiply a Jambi precious items. Player will eventually be able to lock their Jambi token. Ito yung token, guys, into the shrine, giving, reducing the circulating supply, and receiving token on every item as reward. Additionally, a player can assign a Jambi to the shrine to unlock increasing stacking reward. A Jambi with a max happiness level will unlock on APY significantly higher than the base rate and will become a prize NFT. Okay? So, marketplace. Ito na. Let's see the sample price. I-enlarge natin para makita natin. Okay, guys. Ito na yung kinag-aalala. Jambi. Hindi ko alam kung official to, Itong Jambi na to worth 150 USD. Itong Jambi na to worth 980 USD. Itong Jambi na to worth 1,230 USD. Itong Jambi na to worth 1,200 USD. Itong Jambi na to is worth 470 USD. Then other Jambi is 2,400 USD. Mayroon din mura. Itong Jambi na to is 100 USD. And then 890 USD. Wow. So, rarity is 70%. Lagyan natin para mas makita nyo. Ito is rarity bottom 80%, rarity top 40%. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito tinutukoy nila na top bottom. Ito 1,230, rarity niya top is 30%. Ito siguro. So, ito yung bottom, ito yung top, ito siguro. Then ito 1, 2, rarity is top, ito siguro tayo na. Okay? So, ganyan yung presyo, guys. So, mayroong mura, 100 USD. Sa Philippine peso, it costs you around 5,000 plus. Okay, guys? So, hindi ko alam kung ito nga yun. Mock-up only, guys. Marketplace website, mock-up only. Contain placeholder information. Okay? So, mock-up only. That most probably yung presyo. Siguro ganyan na. Okay, balik natin sa 100%. So, online marketplace. Our web-based marketplace will be a crucial part of the Jambi Valley ecosystem. The marketplace will encourage players to work hard on acquiring and improving rare Jambi and items. buy and sell and trade, Chambi land, plots, cosmetics, game items, crafts, resources, and more. So, wandering traders. The wandering trader can be found setting up shop around your forest home. His shop inventory changes each day, and all players will see the same items for sale. So these game items are NFT, and some will even be scarce with limited quantities. So that the traders' wares will include useful items, seeds, chummy cosmetic, players, decorative items, and more. The trader will also buy crops and resources from the player in the exchange for the lucky star. Okay, so yan yung gameplay guys, pero medyo masakit yung presyo niya. Hopefully, isang chambi lang kailangan para makapaglaro ka na. Ang problema kasi guys, baka kailangan mo ng team of chambis. Kailangan mo ng 3 chambi para makapaglaro ka, which is medyo mabigat sa bulsa. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, if you're interested, try nyo na mag-ipon. Kasi mas maganda, maaga ka makapasok pag sa mga ganitong NFT games. Then, so on, bawi ka na. Earliest ka makakabawi. So, at the end, kung halimbawa mag-collapse yung ecosystem ng nila, safe ka na. ROI ka na, di ba? So, tokenomics. Ito yung tokenomics ng Chambi. Maximum is 300 million. Is it million? Yeah. So, initial is 5. Okay. 1.6 airdrop. 25% staking. So, 3% liquidity reverse. So, 5% advisor. Private sale is 17%. Marketing unlock. Unlock over 12 months. 6.4. So, 20% team unlock over 2 years. Sana ha. Sana. So, player earn unlock over 4 years. Okay. So, huwag na natin basahin. Simple lang yan. Tokenomics. Okay, tokenomics natin. So, Lucky Star or LSTS is a Chambi Valley secondary token. So, dalawa yung token guys. So, it has been designed to power the play-to-earn player reward system. LSTS has an infinite supply, but it also required a burn for the 4 core Chambi mechanics. Breeding, leveling, skill, and happiness. This makes LST a price commodity as it is required to create new champi and improve them. Okay, so ito yung panibagong isang token nila. So tingnan natin paano natin ma-acquire yung LSTS na to, which is they call is a Lucky Star. Okay. So player can earn LSTS by battling wild curse champi. The stronger the foe, the more LSTS rewarded. Okay, player versus environment. So, curse chambi. So, yan yung mapapanalunan mo. Makakakuha ka. So, player can also battle other players all around the world and win LST for their victory. So, pag nag-player to player ka rin, mananalo ka rin ng LST. Makakakuha ka rin. Marireward ka. Additionally, player can obtain LST by exploring, completing in-game quests, farming crops, gathering resources, and selling in-game assets, an item to the wandering trader. So, how you obtain the Chambi token? Okay. So, LST will be minted each time a player completes a play-to-earn task, and it will also burn in increasing quantities as players breed and improve their Chambis. The Chambi Valley team will keep a close eye of the inflation rate and ensure that an optimal balance is maintained between supply and demand. Yes, you need to maintain this kasi alam nyo guys kung anong nakikita ko dito. Ano ang burn mechanism nito? Kasi pag ito yung gagamitin nilang pang reward, syempre, pag kumita na yung mga tao, ibebenta nila. So it means pag maraming supply, maraming magbebenta. So bababa yung presyo niya. Tingnan natin. So, tokenomics. In the medium term, we plan to launch a Chambi Treasury feature. It will work as a safe and an insurance on the project future for decentralization by receiving progressively up to 75% of all game crypto contribution. The Treasury will strengthen the ecosystem through buying and burning the Chambi and LST token in the secondary market for stability purposes, but also planting real trees, charity donation, player rewards, in-game event, and more. Okay, so mayroon silang parang control guys, sabi nila insurance daw, para let's say burn mechanism na lang, parehas lang yan, pinaganda nyo lang. So mayroon silang burn mechanism. Sana mag-work itong burn mechanism nila, yung strategy nila. Hopefully, so mas magaling naman siguro sila dyan. So many of most successful crypto project and protocol have one key attribute in common. They generate their own funding. Chambi Valley plans to do this in various ways. Okay, way to Chambi Valley will self-sustain and grow. Marketplace fees. Siguro ito yung 5% kan. Chambi breeding fees. Chambi Sage fees. Wandering trading sales. Chambi NFT sale, Chambi Village Lot sale, and Chambi Valley merge. I don't think masusustain kayo dito ha, pero basta good, maganda lang siguro masusustain dito. NFT token and land sale. Okay, ito na yung mga pre-sale guys. So Chambi NFT pre-sale date to be advised. The first 4,096 Chambi NFT generated will become the rarest Chambi to exist. This limited edition seed Chambi will feature exclusive body parts, low ID number, seed meta tag, and more. Additionally, seed Chambi NFT owners will receive extra airdrop reward and will have access to VIP events such as freelance breeding, beta gameplay, and much more. Wow, pwede siguro sumali dito. Kaya lang medyo mahal yan guys. Siguro gagastos ka ng 1,000 dito. So Chambi token airdrop to be advised naman. So Chambi Valley will not be holding an ITO, instead 4,800,000 Chambi token will be airdropped to our community as a gift. Shortly after the airdrop, Chambi token will be listed on the DEX. So the date and platform is yet to be announced. Chambi Village pre-sale. Lot plots in Chambi Village will be sold to early bird community member. These NFT properties will be located in the prime areas of Chambi Village and will also include exclusive land item and other benefits. So kailangan mag-subscribe dito baka makabili. Okay, roadmap naman tayo guys. So project concept tapos na, determine game mechanics tapos na, Chambi design concept tapos na. So yung mga naka-highlight, NFT giveaway art contest, hindi ako nakasali dito. So 20 page slides, paper release, ito yung binabasa natin ngayon. Private sale, siguro ito yung private sale ongoing. So press release article, so social media influencer stage 2. Ang problema dito guys, walang date. Yun yung concern ko. So, mahihirapan ating i-follow to. So, ngayon guys, manatili kayo nakasubaybay dito sa channel ko kung interested kayo dito sa Chambi Valley. Kasi from time to time, mag-update ako pag may nasagap ako ng balita. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe para at least updated kayo dito sa Chambi Valley. Nakikita ko guys, parang malaking game ito. Yung stage 2 nila is website, full website with team, Chambi token, NFT contract. Okay, dito na yung magre-release yung token nila. So marketing partnership, community growth, video trailer release, seed Chambi NFT pre-sale. Ito yung gagawin nila sa first week, early December daw ito So Chambi, okay. So white paper, wala pa silang white paper. Ito yung white paper release nila. So kailangan nila mag-airdrop sila ng Chambi token. So maglalan sa DEX, listing ng CMC and CoinGecko. So ito pag nag-airdrop sila guys, kailangan natin makakuha ng kahit papano coins dito, kasi once na mag-listing ito sa DEX, lilipad ang presyo nito lilipad ang presyo. So, ang problema walang date. Okay, so expand team, so aggressive marketing, close alpha, Close Alpha World 8. Then Chambi Village Land Sale, Smart Contract Audit, Seed Chambi Breeding Event, Chambi Valley Web, Announcement. Matagal pa. Gameplay Access. Ito. Seed Chambi Beta Gameplay Access. Okay. Original Game Soundtrack, Public Beta Game Access. So, nasa Stage 3. So, mag-pre-sale sila this December early. Siguro ang mag-i-start ang game dito sa public siguro baka may first to second quarter next year na. Okay, so ito na yung Stage 4, Ancient Portal Exploration, Cursed Chambi Battle. Oh, medyo matagal pa guys. Pero kailangan mo nang bumili ng Chambi. Actually, talagang ganito to pag sa NFT or P2M game. Okay guys, so kung interested kayo dito sa Chambi Valley, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share para at least mas marami pang makaalam at ng laro na Chambi Valley na mag-pre-sale this early December. Take note guys, mag-pre-sale pa lang ito. So it means yung pera mo makikip muna dyan ng ilang buwan. Kasi after pre-sale marami pa silang gagawin at hindi mo pa ito malalaro. It takes few months bago mo malaro. But hopefully, na mapaaga. Okay guys, maraming salamat.